Asking for referrals is hard. I'll show you how to make it a natural part of your life as a hotelier or innkeeper and increase your bookings. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And make sure to hit the little bell so you'll be informed when I upload a new video. You won't want to miss anything I designed especially for you. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. As an independent hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, a very effective way to grow your business is through referrals. Unfortunately, referrals do not happen effortlessly. Yes, you might get the odd referral, but if you want your business to grow, you have to both earn and ask for them. Let's begin by talking how you can earn great referrals from your guests. You can start by giving them an experience they will remember. You want to wow your guests. In this episode, I will share ways you can amaze or wow your guests, along with tips for asking for referrals. 1. Show your interest by really listening to them. Ask the right questions during check-in, in your restaurant, at the bar, and listen to the answers, but don't make it obvious. Why? All these answers can be recorded in your guest's profile and used later. 2. Have the appropriate software system. Ensure your guest's second, third, 100th visit is as good as their first. Have systems in place to guarantee you are able to have the same degree of service on a consistent basis. A quality check-in system should enable you to build a profile for the guest that you can use for every visit. 3. Hire the right employees. As I had mentioned in Series 2, Employee Development, compassion cannot be taught. You can't give employees the desire to bend over backwards for customers. Hire employees that can show compassion with your guests. Have the appropriate systems and tools in place in order for them to deliver first-class service. 4. Know your guests. Learn your guests' names and use them. Also, teach your staff to recognize and remember loyal guests. This will form an immediate sense of hospitality that they'll certainly find flattering. 5. After check-in. Once you've given a decent time for your guests to settle in their rooms, the front desk should phone the guest to make sure everything is in order and acceptable. During this call, you'll be able to ask if there are any additional requests that may have been forgotten during check-in. 6. Be available. Be on hand at your property and have personal contact with your guests to build rapport and confidence. 7. Be flexible. Don't be so constrained by your own rules that you can't extend breakfast for a guest who may wish to sleep in, or to extend a checkout if someone has a late flight. Is this actually a big problem if it means your guest enjoyed their stay and will tell others? 8. During turn-down service, leave simple handwritten notes on the pillow such as "Sleep tight" or "Sweet dreams." 9. Leave them with the last impression. Make certain they realize you appreciate their business. An earnest thank you from you can go a long way. 10. Walk them outside. When your guests have checked out, walk them out the door like you would do a close friend when they are leaving your home. A warm smile and a handshake can go a long way to encourage guests to return. Now you've earned the right to ask for referrals. After a word from our sponsors, I will share tips for asking for referrals. The next step is to ask for the referral. Now, you can do this outright by asking or being a little more subtle. 1. Ask your guests for feedback. Don't assume your guests are completely satisfied. Ask. Rectifying a problem might give you an opportunity to shine and leave a favorable imprint if addressed positively. 2. This is an opportunity to exceed expectations. Personal feedback always wins over comment forms or questionnaires. Inquiring about what they liked and what disappointed them, you can always learn and continue to improve. 3. You could ask them if they have any new ideas or for their recommendations on how things could be done better. Guests will be flattered if you ask for their thoughts. 4. Follow up with a simple personalized handwritten thank you note tailored for them a few days after their departure with a mention of a referral. This will not only show your appreciation, but will give them something to remember you. 5. Stay in touch. Stay in touch with them so that when they come to book again, you are firmly fixed in their minds. As a function of your outreach, let them know what other activities you have going on or what is happening in your area. Utilize an email list as well as social media. Is this making sense? Let me know by leaving a comment. 6. Reward their loyalty with exclusive bargains. Make your faithful guests feel special by setting up an exclusive package or deals. Once again, this will show your appreciation of their business, as well as possibly inspiring other bookings. 7. Think of things that are of high value to your guests, but affordable to you so you can give added value. Always look at a problem or a complaint as an opportunity to go the extra mile to wow your guests. Make it difficult for them to ever think about not coming back to you. It's all about affording guests a reason to return and to tell others about your property. 8. Offer time-bound referral bonuses. During email or newsletter campaign, promote your property package and include that if they get additional friends or family members to book, they qualify for a larger discount. 9. Have a referral form on your website that offers discounts or bonuses. 10. Be incredibly thankful. This seems obvious, but so many businesses forget about it. Unless your price point is very low, having someone on your team to place a call, send a handwritten note, or send a gift for a referral is almost always worth it. 11. You can announce that you love referrals in your email signature and voicemail, so every time the customer contacts you, they are reminded that you love referrals. In conclusion, the bottom line is to talk, stay in touch, and listen to your guests, and feel confident that you are offering exceptional service to your guests. If this is the case, they will be more than happy to refer your property. How do you get referrals from your guests? Let me know in the comments. For the next 6 weeks, you'll have access to this episode. After that, it's locked away in the Hospitality Property School Group members' vault. If you want to see all the valuable material you would have access to as a member of the Hospitality Property School Group, check out the short video in the episode post show notes. In the next episode, I will be talking about creating a mailing list. That's it for today's episode. Until next time, have a fun day. Did you see the last episode of the Insider Tips? It was informative. You can find a link in the show notes.